Understanding Artificial Intelligence. What is AI? Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. You've probably interacted with AI without even realizing it. Have you ever used Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa? These are AI-powered virtual assistants that understand your voice and respond accordingly. Think about Netflix or YouTube recommending videos. AI analyzes your watching patterns to suggest content you might like. Even email spam filters use AI to detect unwanted messages and keep your inbox clean. AI is everywhere. Now, let's take a moment to imagine something. What if your coffee machine knew when you wake up and brewed coffee for you automatically? What if your fridge could tell you when you are low on milk and ordered it for you? These are examples of AI-driven smart homes, where machines learn your habits and assist you seamlessly. AI is not just about robots or futuristic technology. It is already deeply embedded in our daily lives, making tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. AI is about enabling machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem-solving, learning from experiences, understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. To make it simple, AI is like teaching a baby to recognize objects. At first, the baby doesn't know the difference between a cat and a dog. But with repeated exposure and guidance, the baby learns to distinguish between the two. AI learns in a similar way but at a much faster rate, using vast amounts of data.